Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So all right, gardeners, one quick minute here. We're out shopping for seeds. I just wanted to make everybody aware of this organics here. These are burpee seeds, and I just wanted to show you here. They sell these organics, and I kind of wish that seed suppliers didn't do this to gardeners out there. But if you look here, we've got our regular burpee cilantro, $1.64, 1.9 grams. Organic cilantro, 2.1 grams, and that's at $2.17. You're paying at least another 50+ cents more for an organic seed. It's pretty much the same thing. This is cilantro. It's even the same picture. See, and again, we've got Oregon Sugar Pod 2s, organic, 217, 17 grams. Here, we've got 28 grams at $1.64. Same picture, same seed. Just to show, it's not just Burpee that does that sort of thing. We've got Ferry Morris here. As you can see, 2.1 grams, 1.5 grams, and you're spending, looks like, about 50 cents more.